Heat stress is a worldwide problem in poultry production, especially in broiler birds and layer production. Heat stress begins when the ambient temperature climbs 80 degrees Fahrenheit and is readily apparent above 85 degrees Fahrenheit. When a bird begins to pant, physiological changes have already started within its body to dissipate excess heat. That's why in this video I'm going to discuss ways in which we can manage heat stress in broiler birds. Number 1. Proper ventilation of your poultry house. The four corners of your chicken house must be meshed and there should not be any obstruction so that air can freely pass through the chicken house. Also, you can employ fans to remove heat from the chicken structure mechanically. Number 2. Proper stocking density. Provide enough space for the birds in the chicken house. This provides a room for heat to escape from the birds. This can be done by reducing the number of birds in the chicken house during hot weathers. Number 3. Feeding time. 60% of the total feeds should be given to the birds in the morning and 40% in the evening when the temperatures are cooler. This can be done by raising the feeders when the temperatures are starting to rise and lowering them in the afternoon when the temperatures have started to decrease. Number 4. Water. Water intake of broiler birds doubles during hot weather. This means increasing the number of drinkers and giving them enough space for drinking water. Also, make the water cool in order to attract more birds to take water. This can be done by covering the water tanks and also adding ice to water for cooling the water for the birds. Number 5. Supplement chicken feeds with vitamins. Vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and B complex can be effective in managing heat stress among our chickens. Number 6. Add electrolytes. You can add electrolytes to the bird's drinking water for 3 days. Heat stress causes increased loss of minerals in the chicken. Provide the electrolytes before the heat stress period. Number 7. The height of the chicken house. The recommended height of a poultry house is 6 to 7 feet and 10 to 12 feet at the center. The chicken house should be at least in position to allow free flow of air within the chicken house. Thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell such that every time we upload a video you get to know